Hi, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Loft, Chico, California. Nice sunny day today. This is Thanksgiving, and everybody's probably getting ready to chow down on some ham and turkey today. I'm out in my yard here, and I'm going to go take a look at my 2012 young birds today. Since it's such a nice day, we had like 5 days of rain. Now it's really nice today. You can see the leaves turning on my walnut tree here. Getting to be fall and the leaves are dropping. Here's some of my breeder hens in here. Hey girls, how you doing? These are some of my breeder hens here. It's the breeder hen cage here. Got some beauties in here. A lot of these hens have produced me multiple winners. Beautiful. And we'll go in the young bird loft now. Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is my team from this year. Some beautiful birds here. Hello girl. Real pretty silver hen right here, number 61. She flew good for me. Well, the majority of these birds flew good for me. I was getting big drops, and they're doing really well. Here's some more here. I put straw on the floor now during the winter. It keeps their feet clean, keeps them warmer, and it's easier for me to clean than to sit there and scrape all day long, every day. Hello girl. Oh, there's a pretty little mealy hen here. She was one of my top flyers. Very good flying hen here. Here's another cockbird here that flew excellent for me. It was a gift from my friend Ross Hall in Perth Amboy, New Jersey. Wonderful flying cockbird. I think he was either 4th or 5th high point bird in the combine. Very good bird. Yeah, these young birds want to mate up now. They're getting all silly. Hey kids. But I do have some great birds here. Here's another one here. This is number 95. He just fell down. He's another one I got from my friend Ross. Beautiful bird too. He really flew good too. Gorgeous pigeon. I just had some beautiful young birds this year that flew really good. And hello girl. Here's my number 1 flying bird right here. She flew really good. And here's some more. This little blue bar hen right here, she's my number 2 flying bird in the club in the combine. Excellent pigeon. This little dark check flew good too. She's down from a hen I got from my friend Rubel Lofts, owns Rubel Lofts in Colorado. It was a beautiful hen. She was a 2-time winner for Rubel, and then he gave her to me, and I crossed her onto one of my Jansen cocks and produced excellent youngsters. That's Andrew Rubel of Pueblo, Colorado. This little white hen here also flew good for me. She's a Waggie I got from my friend Steve in North Carolina. Beautiful little hen. Flew good. Well, hello, sweetie. Oh. Yeah, these birds all want to start mating up. Here's another bird out of Andrew Rubel's hen here. Beautiful pigeon. This is number 30. Flew very good for me. Excellent pigeon. Excellent. And here's another son out of that same hen that flew good. number 71. Just some really nice pigeons here. Well, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Lofts. Until next time, have a good one. Bye-bye.